a Victorian coastal home located in Scarborough, North Yorkshire, England. It offers 7 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Moor Lodge is a distinguished Victorian home built in 1887 and offered for sale for the first time in over 138 years. Originally a hunting lodge, it stands within 7.2 acres of landscaped gardens and woodland with panoramic sea and countryside views. Built in the Revival style, the property features timber framing, Adams-style fireplaces, ornate panelling and plasterwork. The house extends to around 6,570 square feet with 3 reception rooms, a study, kitchen and breakfast room, 4 main bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a self-contained annex, and 3 further attic bedrooms with a bathroom. A long private drive leads to the house, surrounded by lawns and mature trees. Outbuildings include a garage, workshop, stores, kennel and boiler room. The asking price of this beautiful Victorian coastal home is £1,500,000. Moor Lodge offers a rare opportunity to acquire a landmark period home in a stunning coastal location, combining historic charm with outstanding potential. Thank you for watching.